Hi boys and girls, this is Mr. Yates, and in this video I'm going to explain to you briefly about what today's question of the day, chapter 20 from history, is all about and how to complete it. First of all, you are going to need to read chapter 20 from history, book 4, Old Hickory. That's going to help you find the text evidence you need for your question of the day. And the question of the day is basically right here. You're going to draw a detailed picture of what happened during the inauguration of President Andrew Jackson. The word here you might have trouble with is the word inauguration. Inauguration is basically the best way to think of it is an event where we bring in a new president. After a president has been voted and selected by the American people, then that president has what's called an inauguration. Inauguration is an event where the president is sworn in. That means he takes an oath to support his office to the best of his ability. And then afterwards, the inauguration also includes a lot of parties. And so this chapter is going to talk a lot about what happened during President Jackson's inauguration, during the swearing in and also the parties that happened. I'd like you to draw a picture of what happened during President Jackson's inauguration. And one thing I want you to focus on is making sure that you label your picture with evidence from the text, including page numbers. So that means you will need to be looking at the text from chapter 20, Old Hickory. It'll be on all the evidence will be in throughout the chapter. Once you find something that describes what happened during the inauguration, then I want you to draw a picture and use your evidence to label it. Once you get your evidence and your picture done, then what I want you to do is I want you to show your picture on a Flipgrid video. Let me just close that off here. So I want you to show your picture on a Flipgrid video, making sure you explain all the details of your picture and read your evidence and page numbers. That means hold your picture up to the screen, point to all the details that you have in your picture, tell me the evidence that you used to help write or draw that picture and the page numbers you found your evidence. I want you to find all the evidence and all the details that describe President Jackson's inauguration. There's several parts to it, so I want you to make sure you read the entire chapter to find all those parts about his inauguration. If you have questions about today's question today, make sure you email Mr. Yates, or if you have problems with Flipgrid, let me know as well too. You can also email me a photo of your picture and just make sure it's close up so I can see all the details if you're having trouble with Flipgrid. Thanks, boys and girls, and once again, if you have any questions, please let me know.